And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add multi-language subtitles in minutes on YouTube. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So now for this you need to go to your YouTube Studio. Once you have selected the YouTube Studio app, you need to select the subtitles menu when it arrives, like when it is there in your videos. So if you're operating it from like your desktop or something, you can get the subtitle section right over there. Now once you've selected the subtitle section, you can simply click on add languages and select the language for new subtitles. Under the subtitles column for the language, click on add and select auto translate and click publish to make the translated subtitles live. After doing this, you can also use or upload a file option. Like if you want some subtitles, then you can simply add, like click on add languages and select the language for your new subtitles and select the upload file option to simply choose your pre-made subtitle file. Now simply click on the publish option to add the subtitles to the video and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.